So examples of using proportions but solving for x. Okay, so we have 5/9 equals x over 63, and our goal is to find out what this x is. So we're going to use a cross product that we just talked about. So we're going to do 5 times 63 equals 9 times x, or we commonly write it as 9x. So let me do 63 times 5, 15. So we get 315 is equal to 9x. And then finally we divide by 9. Right, so x is equal to whatever that may be. So 315 divided by 9, 327, 45. So we have, all right, so x would be 35. And with any of these questions, plug it back in to make sure that you didn't make a mistake. So it'll be 5, 9, if that's equal to 35 over 63. And if you cross multiply, you'll find out that both of the products are going to be 315, so it will be the right answer. So you can check it. So here's a little bit different example. So we have n minus 2 over 5 equals n plus 1 over 3. The process is going to be exactly the same. So we're going to do 3 times n minus 2. That's equal to 5 times n plus 1. And now it looks like something that we've done in previous sections. So you distribute the 3 for this side, minus 6. And then you distribute the 5 on the other side. So 5m plus 5. And you collect all the terms. So there's multiple ways to do this, so keep that in mind. The only way that I'm showing you is not the only correct way to do so. But I'm going to subtract 3m from both sides. I have negative 6 equals 2m plus 5. And then I'm going to subtract negative 5 from both sides. So I have negative 11 equals 2m. Final step, divide by 2. So m, I'm just going to switch the order, is negative 11 over 2. Okay, I'm going to leave it up to you to check it. So make sure you plug it back in and you get that these two ratios are equal. The next one, and I apologize for going all over the place, but here it states that 12 gallons of diesel fuel cost $37.68. How much would the 16.5 gallon of the same fuel cost? And for this one, I'm just going to do the setup, because by this time you should be pretty comfortable with solving. But if you do have a question, please let me know and I can go through that as well. So let's see. Multiple ways to set this up, first of all. So the way I'm going to do it is I'm going to do the dollar amount as my numerator. So for 37.68. So $37.68, I got 12 gallons. All right, so I'm trying to find out how much money would 16.5 gallons cost. So I can just say X. Just to stay consistent, like that's all that matters. So you could put the dollar amount on the denominator, but then you should put X on the denominator as well. Okay, so whatever you're doing, you have to stay consistent within the ratios. For this one, I put the gallon amount on the bottom with the prices on top. And then I'll leave it up to you to solve it, but you cross multiply, and then you can divide by 12. Okay, let me know. Email me if you have any questions about this, and we can go over it in class as well.